Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value or just enjoy watching videos about silver, gold, and other precious metals. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss about 5 mistakes to avoid when stacking precious metals. So there are tons of different mistakes that you can make when stacking precious metals, but today we're just going to be discussing top 5 mistakes in my opinion. So the number one mistake would be buying fractional silver. So before you guys get upset with what I just said, stick around, okay? There is an exception, and that will be, of course, constitutional silver. Other than that, there is no good reason to be buying fractional silver because the silver price is actually very affordable and can be achieved by everyone. As I'm filming this video, it's about $25.33. So I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this video, but let me know in the comment section down below what the price of silver is while you're watching this video. So as you can see, even I'm guilty of this mistake, and I have all of these fractional silver laid right in front of you. And the reason why I have these ones, the Emirates Gold Silver bars, is because I wanted to complete the whole family. And I also wanted to do a giveaway at 200 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you guys want to enter this giveaway. And I wanted to do the giveaway for these bars because most of my viewers are from USA, and it makes no sense for me to send an American Silver Eagle all the way back to USA. So I wanted to give something from UAE, and we don't have constitutional silver. So these were the perfect pick. And this is what I'm going to be giving out. The 5 grams, the 10 grams of silver bar, and the 20 grams of silver bar. And as you guys can see, I also have some fractional gold right in front of you. Now, I don't think the fractional gold is a mistake that you should be avoiding. Actually, I'm a huge advocate of buying fractional gold, and I'm not going to be going in depth about the benefits of buying fractional gold because I already made a video, and I'll put a link on top of the screen if you guys are interested in watching my top 5 reasons why you should be buying fractional gold. So the mistake number 2 is buying precious metals without a goal or without a budget. Now, everyone must have a set budget first because you really don't want to sell your precious metals at a loss, which is highly likely. If you sell it too soon, you will be paying the price because the premiums are too much and the spot price has to move quite a bit before you can even break even. Don't get me wrong, guys, gold and silver can make you money real quick, but if you're getting into precious metals as a quick money or as an investment, that's not the right reason to be buying gold and silver because this is more of a savings account or a hedge against inflation, and it is for long term. If you want to make quick money by trading gold and silver, you're better off doing futures trading or doing trading on a leverage. The mistake number 3 is buying high premium or numismatic stuff. Now, this is one of the numismatic coins that I bought. This one had quite a lot of premium. It's a 20 dirham coin. And I also bought these pandas. They're not like too numismatic because I did not make this mistake, but my wife did. She bought me one of these Forever Spin 5 9s fine spin top. Now, this one is about $127 for 1.3 troy ounces, which is a lot of money for 1.3 troy ounces, but this is like a gift and I really dig it, and I'm gonna make this my pocket piece. And you guys can see it's already been dented because I've been spinning it around, but I haven't changed my pocket piece yet. But this one might be my next pocket piece. So you can buy these high premium or numismatic coins and rounds if you are doing it for like a hobby or as a collection, but that does not mean that you can't enjoy your stack, and your stack doesn't need to be boring like these bars. You should be stacking what you enjoy or you will lose interest, but that does not mean that you have to break your bank. So mistake number 4 to avoid is buying precious metals on a credit card, or if you already have a debt with interest, you shouldn't be buying precious metals. If you have a credit card debt, that will push you back about 20% a year, which will be constant. And this will outperform precious metals gains comparing with the historical data. Even if you don't have a credit card debt and if you're just using your credit card to make the online purchases from these online bullion websites, you're actually paying the percentage on top, which is supposed to be paid by the vendor if the customer is using credit card. But obviously these bullion dealers, they are doing a business which involves another sort of money, which is gold and silver, so they're not going to be paying that amount, so it comes out of our pockets. So you're better off using the check option or use the bitcoins to buy gold and silver if that is an option for you guys. So the mistake number 5 is telling people about your stack or not staying anonymous over the internet. There are many reasons why you shouldn't tell anyone, but the most important one is security for you and your family. So stay safe, guys, and stay out of trouble while you're stacking precious metals. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, or if you just enjoyed, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please watch one of these recommended videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.